What's up guys, it's Rahul here back with another video, and today I am going to be starting an awesome new series that I know you guys will absolutely love. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. The first step in the process is research. Although this is going to be pretty annoying to do, I guess I can get it done. Let's start watching some videos. Let's see if we can figure out if it's feasible to begin with, and also maybe order a bunch of parts, and let's see where everything goes from there. So I'll catch you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so I finished pretty much all of the research, and now we can start. I need to start doing some of the diagrams. Once I get the flow diagrams done, we can start making trying out some of the stuff like the MPU 6050, which I'll show you in a minute. Let's quickly do the diagrams. Okay guys, I managed to get it to work finally. Took me a while, but I guess it works. I just have to hold it like this the entire time. So the next step is going to be kind of like solder it to make it a bit easier to hold, and yeah.